Kung Fu, the Tai-Ju-Ki-Do System by Darin Martineau is a powerful martial arts book, an exclusive collection that combines the most effective elements of Shaolin Kung Fu, Bagua, Tai Chi Chuan, Kenpo, China, Ju-Jitsu and more into one complete self-defense system. Developed by a martial artist with over 35 years of experience, Tai-Ju-Ki-Do focuses on practical, real-world application, not sport, but survival. This dynamic new system teaches powerful strikes, explosive combinations, throws, joint locks, grab defenses, punch and kick counters, and effective street self-defense principles. It also includes traditional training sets such as tiger form, eagle claw form, and black crane form. Here, along with volumes 1 to 4, a Kung Fu Styles Guide, and the essence of Kung Fu. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced martial artist, Tai-Ju-Ki-Do delivers structured training, disciplined technique, and devastating effectiveness in one comprehensive system. Train with purpose, move with precision, defend with power. Learn the secrets of martial arts now. Click the link below to get his book now.